everybody, today we're going to make concentric hearts. Concentric means a shape that is repeated but starts from the same center. Now in the middle of your paper you're going to draw a little really small heart and then one that's slightly bigger. I'm using oil pastels to do this. Now let's look at the color wheel. Half of the color wheel is what we call warm colors, like the reds and the yellows, the one that make you think of warm things like sunshine, and cold colors, more blues and greens, the ones that make you think of cold things. Now when you're ready to paint your hearts, I want you to choose either cold colors or warm colors. That's because when the colors are next to each other on the color wheel, they mix really well and they're going to create a really nice painting. So now it's your turn to either choose warm colors or cold colors. I've chosen cold colors, so I'm painting with blues and greens, etc., and purples, and I'm just painting each heart a different shade. Now make sure you have enough water on your paintbrush so that it glides across and that you create a beautiful painting.